Hello guys, we're on the go and today we are at the Wli Waterfall, the highest in West Africa. This is the billboard to the place. This road leads to there. We just want to showcase to you. It's a beautiful town, clean. The roads are sweet. And we're here today to explore the tallest fall in West Africa. Wli Waterfall, commonly known, or you call it Wli Waterfall. It's a beautiful thing. And trust me, you're going to love it. The next time you visit Ghana, you should be here. This is Africa, this is Ghana, and we are in the Hoho municipality. This is Wli Waterfall, the highest waterfall in West Africa. Beautiful scene, people. This is the home of bats, animals, and more. And on weekends and holidays, we see chunks of people coming here to trip in to experience the fall. It is believed that when a lot of people are around, the spirit of the fall even goes wow. Huge. And it's made up of two falls. We have the upper fall and also the lower fall. We are the lower fall here, and you can enjoy the frenzy that people are thrown into right here as the Wli Waterfall. It's a beautiful scene and it's full of joy. If you want to have a feel of that coldness, the breeze is beautiful, and then you want to swim from the natural source, then the Wli Waterfall is one of the locations you're supposed to come. If you're in Ghana, you must think about Wli Waterfall as a major fall that you can experience. We're going to walk down there into the people that have a full of it. Before getting here, it was raining. We need to show that it rains to get here. So you can see me, I am wet, but I'm on the go and I must not stop. So I'm getting in there, get closer. We got to speak to some people about their experience here. Let's go. All right, so here at the Wli Waterfalls, the name of this very fall is called Agumatsa. And its airway means that allow me to flow. Allow me to flow. The source of this is coming from Togo. From this place to Togo is not too far. You know, Ghana and Togo is very close. And about some 20 to 30 minutes drive from this place, you can enter Togo. Even the network around here is not stable. So the source of this is from Togo. This is about 850 meters tall on this giant rock, and it's coming. I mentioned earlier on that we have the upper fall and the lower fall, right? The upper fall is a bit tricky and it's left for people that are of top class adventure and they are ready to explore it. So if you don't have that grit, you're not allowed to even go to the top. The lower level here is cool. You can play around in the water. At my right side, that is the deeper side of the fall. So you must be careful. This place is a bit shallow. People swim it, people fish it. There are a lot of meat around it. People also believe that fetching this, you can use it for medicinal purposes and more. That is what we are experiencing here in Ghana. Wli Waterfall. The name of the town also Wli has a meaning. In our it means that struggle, right? But they are able to find something for themselves, and it's a place for enjoyment, frenzy, and tourism experience every now and then. Weekends and holidays, it's even mega. And because of the rain that I mentioned to you earlier, most people decide to leave, but still, they are in the moment here, enjoying every bit of it. I'm going to speak to some of the people around here. Maybe they can give you a different perspective about the Wli Waterfall. Bien. Here I am sandwiched between these ladies with a splash of the fall behind us. It's a beautiful experience. We want to speak to them to tell us about how they feel about this place, how the journey has been like walking here, and everything at the Wli Waterfall here. These are ladies from the University of Health Allied Sciences. I'll just ask of their names and then throw the questions to them. So please, what's your name? Laurentia. Elizabeth.
Ria.
Ria. All right, they are from Ho. our city, the oxygen city. So it's beautiful connecting with people from our city here. How will you describe your experience here at the Wli Waterfall?
Well, to me, it's a wonderful experience because I love the sea and the breeze. Everything is just amazing.
Okay. But why are you not swimming?
I didn't bring extra.
Did you plan for that? Where you plan that you come in here not to swim, just to come and have to watch the scene, right? What about you?
Well, I also think it's a very beautiful place.
Yeah, turn against me. I can't hear you well.
I was saying, I think it's a beautiful place with the scene and everything. But I think they need to do much things to improve the place.
Okay, what do you
From
suggest?
the restrooms, the kitchen and everything.
People are littering around.
Yeah, you can see that it's everybody.
Okay,
And outside, I think the place is okay.
it's very cool. Are you connecting to nature?
Yeah, very.
Wow. How about you?
Okay, so I've always said about the waterfalls and I wanted to see it myself.
Okay.
But when I arrived there, I knew it's more than what I expected. Looking at the calm nature of the waterfalls and people swimming in it gives like a very nice experience. So it's nice to be here.
So you guys are here not to swim, but just to see how it falls, like the splash of the water on you and all of that. The water, you guys are health practitioners. I know the water is a bit dirty, but do you think it's okay?
We are not consuming it. I think it's fine.
It's fine.
We don't have any open cuts or something.
Yeah, okay too. Will you love to enter the fall?
Yeah.
You heard of the upper fall?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, they have the upper fall. This is the lower fall. There is another place also at the top like this. It's up where the bars and all of that are around. Yes, yes, it's there. But just I learned that place is very tricky. So people that are well experienced before you go there. When you come in and you get to where the is it a restaurant or rest stop? You can see the upper fall from there. Yeah. So will you advise people to come to this place?
Oh, of course. 100%.
100%. All right, so this is a destination to connect to nature. If you want to have that feel, calmness in your head, the health practitioners will tell you that visiting places like this have impact on your mental health. It's very critical. You come around to have an experience. So Wli Waterfall, the highest in West Africa, about 856 meters up on this rock, and the origin of this water is coming from Togo. Trust me, you will love it here. Go here through the rain, and this lady here help us with our gear. She is on the go with an umbrella and with her help, we are able to protect our cameras and all of that. Thank you so much. How will you describe your experience here?
It's a wonderful experience. I like the environment, the green vegetation, and then the water is clean as well. It's a top-notch experience.
So why are you not swimming?
I can swim.
She can't swim, but she's also enjoying it. So you are just here for the sightseeing. Yeah, is that it?
Yes.
Will you advise people to visit here often?
Of course, I would rate here 20/10.
Hey, that is a 2. All right.
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Ho.
You stay in Ho.
Yes.
Oh, we're also from Ho.
Oh, I see. Then we'll join you.
Okay. 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 So what do you do in Ho?
I'm a nurse.
Yeah, you're a nurse. At Trafalgar
No, municipal hospital.
Municipal Hospital. Okay. Okay. So you can see all the working class, and you choose to celebrate your.
Of course, my
Your
holiday
life
here.
there.
Yes.
Are you now hearing of the Wli Waterfall?
Oh no, I've been in Ho for the past 5 years, and then I've heard about it, but I have not gotten the time to come here.
around.
So with this long vacation, I decided to pass through and then see how the weather is, and then enjoy the atmosphere.
So it's full of nature. It's nature. If you want to connect, if you lose that touch with nature, trust me. Even if you want to pray, I think you can come to this place and your prayers can be answered beautifully. A home of the beautiful or the tallest fall in West Africa, but as a natural feel, quality air here, trust me, it's everything you need for that anxiety to come down. All right, guys, we're still on. Yes, the stones are very slippery. to get here because they're trying to develop fungi on it. So when you work on it, you need to be very careful. Other than that, you sleep. So, and it's not even advisable to be in sneakers and all of that. So you work on this, but you just need to be careful to some extent. You can see me. My sneaker is off. But we're just here. It's very cold. And me also, we got here. The rain beats me, so you can imagine how cold it is. I wanted to give you some dive lessons, but actually, it's a different business. Open to kids, adult folks, and all class of people. You just need to come around and have a feel of it. Hello guys, the purest form of nature's calmness is here at the Wli Waterfall, tallest in West Africa. It's a beautiful natural scenery that you must consider visiting. It is full of splash, cozy moments, lovey-dovey people, friends and family ganging up and celebrating the day here. It's been a beautiful day we spent here and we love every bit of it. That's why I couldn't make the chance to enter the water to swim. It's still powerful. So if you're somebody you don't even want to swim, you just want to come and sit down to experience this calmness, this is the place you're supposed to come in the Hoho municipality. Charlie guys, it's been an amazing, and thanks for you guys being part of today's episode. This is Prince on the Go. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and be part of our community. We're going to be bringing you more things about travel, tourism, and more here in Ghana and beyond. The next time you're visiting Ghana, make sure you make some time to pass through the tallest fall in West Africa. Until next time, peace out.